from 20,600. Now it was returned and come up again now to 21,100. What was the next target? I will tell you. But if you want unlimited free calls or future trading, then join my Telegram group. You will need to get free signals every time, every day. So the link is in the description. Kindly check it out. Bitcoin price was, you can see here, 1.95% in last 24-hour increase. Now this is a short pump, and I think it will be gonna form or form. But my brother, if it will be hit now 22k, then this was confirm of this, it will be move upward and give us a very crazy unexpected profit. But the volume, if when I see, my friends, I think this was just only the fake buyers, and absolutely it will be crash again. Now we will be see a short crash. But my brothers, 30%, you can see here the volume was decreasing. So when volume was decreasing, that's mean to selling rate was very low, so therefore it was be easily decreasing. So my advice for everyone, to don't be a greedy, my brothers. You need to be wait for 100% confirmation, and then you will take entry in long position, and I hope you will get a crazy profit. So you can see here on the chart result, definitely maybe it will be created double top and crash again. Maybe it was break this support and pumps up very high. So we are just waiting now from here, guys. My recommendation for all, to kindly hold if you are already take entry in long position. And yes, if you want to join my Telegram group, you will get free signal, VIP signal. So join, the link is in the description. See you next time.